Okay, in the first episode I got my engine running. It was dead, I brought it back to life, and even got it out on the road. But I haven't done anything with the timing, the fine tuning, checking the vacuum. I'm going to go ahead and do all of that now. Okay, adjusting the idle mixture screws, I was only able to get another 1 psi out of it. Idle came up a little bit, so I was able to dial it in. Okay, I went down in there and took a picture with my phone. You can see this is top center, or 0. Looks like right about here would be 9 degrees or so where the mark is. Probably should go there, just a little bit higher for our elevation. Again, over 7,000 feet here in Colorado. Okay, let's see if you can see. Right, so it's a little bit below the mark. I hope you can see that. Go ahead and turn the distributor. There we go. That looks good. We'll go ahead and nail it down right there. Here's the interior before. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, while I'm waiting on parts, I thought I'd go ahead and take the seat cover off. Looks pretty good. Too bad the whole seat doesn't look like that. Too bad. There's that one good hole. I'll go ahead and hit that with some black duct tape and a seat cover. And that'll look better. Vacuuming. That used to be black. Yep. Black carpet. But now it's, what, a tan color? Okay, well, I vacuumed and vacuumed. I vacuumed all the crap out of the carpet, and it still has this kind of grayish, faded look. You can even see where the old floor mat was, where it's darker black. I'm going to try some of that vinyl spray paint that they say works on carpet and see how it works. See, well, it's going to blacken it up, but will it stay? Will it stick? I'll report back. Okay, so what do you think? All black. It's not stiff and nasty. I should still be able to vacuum it. That's the thing. Will it come off? I don't know. How long will it last? I don't know. But that looks way better. Okay, on to the next project. Okay, old driver's side trash door handle off. Nice new aftermarket door handle on. Before and after. Okay, this is the box of goodies that came with the truck. Let's see what we got here. That's the old V-belt. Yeah, kind of old. Okay. Got a Chilton's book that goes with it. Some extra parts, that's nice. Engine, oh, that's a, what, a pump? For the carburetor. Power pump. Caliper repair kit. Oh, okay. That's some old Napa motor oil. Oh no, that's FA. That's transmission fluid. You know what? I don't think I need that because I've got a manual transmission, but I can totally use that in Engine Joe, the 59. It's got a automatic transmission. It's got the Ford-matic transmission. It could totally use the FA fluid. Okay, that's good. And who can't use some heavy-duty brake fluid? Ooh, lead substitute. That stuff's expensive anymore. Yay, okay, that's good. This looks like a Filler tube? Right, what's that plate right there? That's going to be for one of the two gas tanks. Looks like it's a replacement filler tube, brand new. What else? Oh, what's this? Ooh, original manual. Nice. 1968 F100 through F350. Original owner's name on there. Lived. Ooh, here it actually lived in Denver. So this has always been a Colorado truck with some notes on there. And oh, this is in nice condition too. This will go back in the glove box. And some other miscellany. So that's the stuff that came with it. Very good. Okay, I've got a guy from an auto glass company coming down. I'm going to get my windshield replaced. You can see there, when you've got a crack that separates it into two pieces, it's time for a new windshield. And when you can see daylight through the weather stripping, it's time to replace the windshield. Hey, we got Mike and Isaiah here from A Auto Glass, and they are my experts. They're going to install my new windshield. Okay, no rot, no rust. Looks good. Of course, it's raining on these poor guys now.
Where does the weather come from? I forgot which way it's west.
From the north. Okay, old windshield off. New windshield on. Well, almost on. I identify as a Prius. Now see, this is the part. This is the reason why I didn't want to do it myself. The trim. No way. I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. Storm's clearing out. And I got new glass. The guys did a good job. Okay, the door handle's a mess. The knob's broken right off of it. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna have nice, shiny, new Dorman. And it just doesn't move very well. So I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and lubricate it. So this door panel comes off and we go ahead and put the lube right on there. See how it goes up and down. Oh, that's already better. Oh, okay. Got to clean the window, yeah. Oh, that's way better. And getting better as I go along. So it really just needed to be lubricated. Oh, well, there's the new handle. Put everything back together. I found a bottle cap down inside the door. I think it says Pepsi. I think. That's too crusty to tell. Alright, glass is clean, panel's installed, and that crank should, oh my goodness, work good. And back up. Now I noticed that my parking brake was just flopping around down there. Look at this. That's no good. So, had to be something wrong, and you probably already noticed it. Sure enough, right up here, it's not connected to the underside of the dash. I'll look to see if there's anything else, but that definitely seems to be the problem. Okay, that's much more strong. Done. Okay, well, I got to degrease that engine. I'm going to spray a combination of brake cleaner. Try that. How about some Armor All heavy-duty degreaser? That doesn't spray at all. Look at that. Come on, spray, 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 spray. There we go. And how about some Simple Green? We'll see how that concoction works. I'll let that sit a while I'm working on other stuff. Okay, grease remover done. Power washing the engine. Okay, well that's cleaner and Ford bluer than it was. Not perfect. Not bad. That looks nice. Okay, time to wash it. I took some steel wool to those rims. Looks good. Just a little wider, a little less rusty. I didn't touch the hubcap at all, just the rims. Okay, and last but not least, Kermit the Ford. Okay, that's the last thing for... Okay, that's the last thing for this episode. Kermit the Ford, Kermit Ford, is official now. Whether you call it nesting, like my wife does, or detailing, like I call it, I got to dig into the truck and do some of those little projects that kind of add up and make you feel like it's your own. So I'll keep working on Kermit, and maybe you guys can follow along. Hey, if you like these episodes, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Maybe hit that little bell that's over in the corner so you can get notifications of the next episode that's going to come up. This and the old 59 truck, I've got lots of episodes of that. I've been working on that for a couple of years now, so if you want to take a look at those, that'd be great. Really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.